Hi there, Mastiha and Dan here from Excel Academy. If you're watching this video, it means that you work at Old Mutual Insure, and we decided to shoot the short video to tell you a bit about Excel Academy, the workshops that we run, and how we can add value to you and your teams. Since 2014, we've been running fun and engaging Excel workshops. We've got colorful workbooks and 3 workshop levels. So in Excel 101, you'll see that our workbooks look like they were designed for kids, although the content is designed for adults. So in Excel 101, we teach you about setting a good foundation. We help you to work smarter, and we teach you about best practices, pardon me. Then we move on to Excel 202, which is all about data analysis, creating dashboards and extracting business intelligence from your data. Finally, in Excel 303, we look at macros and VBA. We teach you how to automate repetitive tasks, and we bring it all together. Now, all of this is done through an interactive online platform. Isn't that right, Dan?
Absolutely. Thank you, Em. So when I started the business in the beginning of 2014, for the first few years, everything was done in person in the classroom. So each workshop would be approximately 8 hours in length. And what we've done over the last few years is we've worked really hard on creating what we call our unique Gamified Blended workshop delivery method. So what does that mean? Why gamified and why blended? What does that all mean? How does it work? Typically what we do is we start with a 1-hour onboarding or kickstart session. That's an information session. Usually it's done in the classroom. It can also be done via a live video call. And that's really an opportunity for us to have a conversation with you and your team, to get you onboarded, to get you on the same page, so that you understand how the workshops work, what's expected of you, and we give you your very own Excel Academy goodie bag with your workbook or workbooks and a few other accessories. We activate your license, so you get a username and password so that you can log in and access the content on our online platform. Okay, and what is the content? It includes videos, Excel exercises, quizzes, as well as an assessment at the end of each workshop level. We also give a set time frame. Instead of making it open-ended, we give you usually 2 to 3 weeks per workshop level, and during that time period we provide you with support and progress tracking. Okay, and the support is done via our Excel Pal system. Okay, we also talk to you about the rewards and incentives that we offer you if you complete the workshop in time by that due date, and then you get lifetime access thereafter. So we're very proud and excited to tell you that this delivery method is working exceptionally well for our clients and delegates, and the engagement and success rate on our training is very close to 100%. So we're looking forward to seeing you and your team in an onboarding session at Old Mutual Insure very soon. Until then, take care.